Good morning, this is Ronnie with Alina Group, and this morning we installed a pair of 3.5-ton Allied heat pumps, 15 SEER, and we're right on the water here, so we put these Allieds in for corrosion protection because we took out a pair of Goodmans here that were just like rotted out, so we know these Allieds are going to hold up. Plus the customer's very happy, and us as installers, we're very happy with the product. It's something we can rely on and not worry about. I also want to thank Tropic Supply for this contest. It was a lot of fun. My customers and my employees really enjoyed it. And I also want to thank Tropic Supply again for recognizing Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Our customers loved the t-shirts, and it really, some of them, have been touched by this, so they really appreciated that. And also want to thank Store T23 for helping us along in this video contest, and Allied for putting out a great product. We've been putting in a lot of these, and we've had no issues with them, and we're very happy about that. So thank you all for the great customer service, and we appreciate it. Thank you, Tropic Supply and Tropic Supply store number T23, Ray, Greg, Donald, and everyone that else over there, the warehouse people. And thank you very much, Tropic Supply and Allied and Cooper Hunter and Rude for these great products. Thank you.